Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to add relationship on Facebook. Maybe you want to add your relationship on Facebook so that your friends knows that you are taken. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how to add relationship on Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you will be directed into this home page. And now you'll need to go to your profile page by tapping on this profile icon. Once you're in your profile page, simply tap on this edit profile. And then now you need to scroll down and you'll see in here your relationship status. Simply tap on this edit button and then scroll down to your relationship. And then here you can add relationship status by tapping on this add. And then in here, you can choose a public, friends, or only me. For example, tap on this only me. And then in here, you have your relationship status. Simply select the relationship status. For example, you're single, simply tap on this single. And then in here, tap on the save button. And again, tap again your save button. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to add relationship status, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how to add relationship on Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.